Art friends, are you ready for another week of wonderful art class? I'm so glad you've joined me. Well, this week we are going to continue talking about the fruit of the Spirit. And this week it's one of my favorite fruits of the Spirit, and it is joy. So let me read that verse to you from Galatians chapter 5, verse 22 and 23. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things, there is no law. So today we are going to get the joy down in our heart, and we are going to be drawing balloon. We're going to be drawing a bunch of fun balloons in a bunch of different colors to represent joy. So go grab all of your art supplies, and then let's get started. So I'm going to start with my balloons. I'm going to do an outline of each one. And the way that we're going to draw the balloons is we're going to have a top row of balloons, then we're going to do a second row of smaller balloons. So let's do large circles across the top, and you have an artist choice here. You can do circular balloons or you can do oval-shaped balloons. I'm going to choose circular balloons, but you do whatever your creative heart desires. Okay, now for the second row, I'm going to make my second row a little bit smaller. Awesome job. So at the very bottom of each balloon, I'm going to draw a little tiny bow where the string will come down to the ground. So that looks like a little sideways number 8, if you can see that. We'll do that on each balloon. And then we're going to draw wavy lines down to the ground from each balloon. So start in this top corner and just draw wavy lines. Awesome job. Okay, now it's time to color in our balloons. Now the fun thing about this is that you get to choose whatever color you want to fill in your balloons. So go wild, go crazy, fill in your balloons, and then I want to see them when you're done. Let's get going. Awesome job, you guys. Let me see your papers. Let me see all those beautiful colors. Oh, I can tell that your favorite color is yellow. I can tell that your favorite color is red. You guys did such a good job with that. Okay, what says joy even more? Confetti. confetti. Let's draw some confetti in the background. I'm gonna grab my orange marker and just draw little bits of confetti falling from the ceiling like a big party. You guys, I went to a concert a few weeks ago, and at the very end of the concert, this confetti exploded from the ceiling and it fell on us like rain. It was the coolest experience in the whole world. Next, I'm gonna go in with my purple. Add some more confetti. Little tiny dots or smudges. And then finally, let's do some yellow. Okay, I think we have a masterpiece of joy. Now let me see your drawings with your balloons and your confetti. I mean, all that's missing is a birthday cake, right? Like, we need to have a party. I love the way that you did your confetti. It's incredible. You guys are absolutely amazing. And I really want to thank you for joining me today, because your presence has filled my heart with joy. And I hope that this piece of art has filled your heart with joy too. Trust the Lord this week. He's going to bring you so much joy. Have a great one.